What about you?
Fine, dear. How's your online classes?
It's going on well. What about your class?
It's going well, dear. Nowadays, our classes goes with the help of devices like phones.
That's right. So we should not forget the importance of today.
Yes, dear. Today is May 17th, World Telecommunication Day.
Telecommunication provides a technological foundation for societal communications. Communication plays a central role in the fundamental operations of a society, from business to government to families. Sneha, do you agree with me?
Yes. Communication is important part of our life because it helps us to understand the feelings, opinions and ideas of people around us. Do you know the history of telecommunication?
Yes, I can tell you a brief history of telecommunication. Telecommunication is the technology of sending signals and messages over long distances using electronic equipment. Man's first attempts at communication were extremely limited. In ancient times, people used animals to get their messages across, mostly pigeons. In the modern era of electricity and electronics, we use telegraph, telephones, and fiber optics. Our basic telecommunication system consists of an information source, a transmitter, a link, and a receiver or a communication system is the setup used in the transmission and reception of information from one place to another. On 13 May 1897, Marconi sent the first ever wireless communication over open sea. Alexander Graham Bell was a Scottish-born scientist and inventor best known for inventing the first working telephone in 1876 and founding the Bell Telephone Company in 1877. The first wide area packet switching network with distributed control and one of the first networks to implement the TCP or IP protocol suite is called ARPANET. Communication with anyone, anywhere in the world is now possible. People can easily connect with friends and families. Social networking usage is also gaining popularity. A social networking service is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relationships with other people who share similar personal or career or backgrounds. Yes, that's all possible because of telecommunication.
Communication is a very aspect in the growth of the culture and human society. If communication was not made, then nothing would be continuous to be divided. Definitely, the world not be what it is now when there is no communication. Telecommunication is the way of transmitting signals for communication purpose, and this is quite important. It satisfies our basic needs. Information technology and the ability to connect and communicate is a fundamental part of how our society operates. In today's digital ecosystem, telecommunication has become the foundation for business, governments, communities, and families to seamlessly connect and share information.
World Telecommunication and Information Society Day has been celebrated annually every 17 May since 1969 to mark the founding of ITU and the signing of the first International Telegraph Convention in 1865.
The purpose of observing the day is to help raise awareness of the possibilities that the use of the internet and other information and communication technologies can bring to societies and economies, as well as of ways to bridge the digital divide.
It is celebrated every year with a new theme to raise awareness about the importance of communication and focuses on to increases the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Accelerating digital transformation in challenging times is the theme for World Telecommunication and Information Society Day in 2021.
The COVID-19 crisis has highlighted the critical role of information and communication technologies for continued functioning of societies. ITU members have stepped up and engaged in activities that have proven essential in saving lives and keeping economies going. They have demonstrated their remarkable resilience in the face of challenging times.
It's time to thank all global telecom companies for their efforts thus far in responding to the pandemic situations.
Today we talked a lot about telecommunication.
Yes, telecommunication is still a part of the growing generation.
Yes, it's true. So use it well.
Have a nice day, dear.
Same to you, dear.